Good morning, good afternoon once again, my fellow Power of Mindset Yields family. In today's video, we are going to look at how to trade accumulator options on Deriv, a new way of making money online that Deriv has just introduced of recent. And I thought of sharing, thinking that you could potentially be interested in making such kind of money. I guess it will be simple to trade compared to other assets. The other way around, we have been making money trading synthetic indices. And this way, I believe beginners are going to love it. Not only beginners, but also advanced traders. So stay with me as I walk you through how to trade Deriv Accumulator options. All right. So to get started, you have to log into your Deriv account. And if you don't have an account with Deriv, I'll leave a link in the description, for you to register and create an account so that we can go together. All right. So let me just log in real quick and we go together. So you are going to land on this page where you are going to see the demo. Of course, me, I'm on a demo account. I do not want to open the real account for now. And you are going to see Deriv Trader. This one here, right? Okay, so this is where we are going to find the Deriv Accumulator options. So I'll click there, you click on open. Now that you are on this interface, for me, I customized it by putting or changing the layout using a candlestick, or rather putting there a candlestick chart. But for you, you are going to find there an area chart. And if you want to change it or customize it like mine, you can also use this one, like this is the candlestick. So you just tap there. And if I tap there, you can see I'm on candlestick. For you, you are going to find an area chart, not actually even a line chart, but an area chart, because you have different types of charts. You have an area chart, you have a candlestick chart, you have a hollow chart, we have this one, OHLC. So for me, I selected the candlestick chart. For you, you are going to find an area chart. For example, let's change to an area chart and we see what you're going to find there. All right, so if you click here, okay, and tap outside that, this is what you're going to find on your chart. Okay, so let me just go back and change it to candlestick, because that is my preference, and you too can customize it accordingly. All right, so once you are here, where are you going to find the accumulators? Because that is the purpose of this tutorial of today's video. So you want to click here. Okay, you can see this arrow right here, so click there. All right, so you are going to see this interface. Okay, for now you can see accumulators, but the color is not all that bold, but it is pale. You cannot click on it. So what you have to do, you click on learn more about trade types here above. Okay, and you click on this arrow, click there. So once you reach here, of course, by default, mine was on multipliers, and I want to change it to accumulators. Click here on this drop down arrow, and you are going to click here on accumulators. Okay, the process might seem a bit different on a PC, but the criteria are the same. Okay, well, the process might be the same. So let me click on accumulators. All right, so you can see I'm here on accumulators description. This is the interface. Okay, and you can even first listen to this video to guide you through. Let me just play it a little bit and you see it is just 30 seconds long.
You pick a growth rate to set upper and lower barriers. Your potential payout grows at a compounding rate if the current spot price stays within the barrier set from the previous spot price. Close the trade before the price hits either barrier to keep your payout. If the spot price touches or breaches either barrier, the trade closes and you lose any unrealized gains, along with your initial capital. Start trading accumulators now.
All right, this is what we are going to see. But I realized that this accumulators works on volatility indices. So on my interface, as you saw by default, I was on 500. You can see some trade types are unavailable for Boom 500. So that's why you are seeing that here down I cannot choose accumulators, but I have to go back and change the asset, all right, to volatility indices. So let me just go back and I show you how to do that. Okay, so I will come here on this drop down arrow. You can see I'm on Boom 500 and I will choose any other asset which is volatility. So for example, let me just go with volatility 100 1S, this one. Let me just choose this one. Okay, let me go with this one because it likes ranging, and I found out that this strategy, rather this Deriv Accumulator Options, works best when the market is actually ranging. Okay, so let me go with this one. Let me just continue to accumulators, the same process. All right, then I'll go here to learn about more about trade types by clicking on that arrow. Then I'll go to choose from here accumulators. If I scroll down further up, you can see accumulators is on the first one. So you click on this one. So choose accumulators. All right, so you can see we have already watched the video. All right, now you can click on or
your
tap
potential
on
payout grows
choose
at a compounding
accumulators.
rate
So I'm going to
if
click
the
on
current
that.
spot price stays.
Okay, now I am on accumulators, guys. This is the interface for accumulators. If you had or learned something from the video we just played, which was 30 seconds long, you can see they are saying that the moment this thing taps on these barriers, these lines are the ones they are calling barriers. These ones, upper bands. You can call it bands, you can call it barriers, whichever. So the moment it taps on that barrier or that band, you will be kicked out. You will lose, in other words. So in order for you to be profitable, price must remain in that range, okay? And I also discovered during my research that the more, the higher the rates, because we are going to see you can stake up to 5%, from 1% up to 5%. So the higher you go from 1 to 5%, the lower these bands will continue squeezing, becoming smaller, which means your chances of making profit is reducing. So I would advise you that you stake at least a little and you first see, because the bands will be wider, which means price is likely to continue moving within that range, and if it continues moving within that range, that's when you are going to be making money. All right, so let's try and see. Okay, so let's first go through this interface. All right, and let me see if I can change this area to if I can change this one to a candlestick and it accepts. It refuses, I'll come back to it only works on an area chart because the other ones are pale, which means I cannot select a candlestick. Okay, but I'm okay with that. This is on 3%. Okay, so can we change? Yes, tap there and you can see if I go to 1%, you can see how the bands are looking like. Okay, what if I change to 2%? You can also play with each and everything, and you see 2%. Bands are becoming wider. Okay, so let's go to probably 5%, right? And you see, you can see, these are the bands. Now, this is the amount you are going to be staking. This is $1, but you can increase it and you can as well reduce it. The minimum is $1. So let's go to probably stake something like, since I'm on a demo, let me just increase the amount. What if I use, let me just use $50, and I see it is a demo account, but if it is a real account, I would first play with $1. And in the future video, I'm going to show you how I was trading on the real account and how much I am making. All right, I hope you are loving it so far. Okay, so in this case, this is a bit different from what we have been doing. Like in the forex market, we buy and sell. Okay, we buy and sell, we set the stop loss and the stake and the take profit. But here, once you buy, it's different from when you sell. When you sell, you are closing, because you can get out of the market in two ways. When you are automatically kicked out by this price you are seeing kicks or hits these barriers as we were seeing, there you are going to be stopped out. The other way you can be stopped out is when you choose to get out of the market. For example, if you want to close the small profit or the profit you have so far made, you can click on sell. Okay, so let me just buy and we see. Let me just buy. Remember, I'm on 5%. So the moment you can see it is moving 55, 57, 60. Let me just sell. Let me sell. $10. Have you seen? I've made $10 within just a few seconds. So the moment you buy, this option of buy, right, just down here will automatically change to sell, which means it will allow you to sell anytime you wish to get out of the market. And you can see I was taking just $50 and I just made $10 within just 2 seconds. Can I try the second option? Okay, let me see. Let me see. I will be timing when the bands have become wider. Okay, but this time let me just reduce on the percentage. Instead of 5, let me go to 2. Okay, to see if the bands will be bigger or wider. Okay, now they are bigger. Let me just buy. I buy. I've bought. Now you can see I can sell 52, 3, 4, 5. Let me exit. I have exited, guys. Another profit. Guys, tell me. Do you think this is not simple for everyone, for even a beginner, to make money? All right. I'm going just to be trading this even on a real account, and I'll be telling you the results. And if you want to choose or to go to a real account, just click on this drop down arrow. You are going to see your real account. Okay, you can see I've been on a demo with these are my funds. Just go here and you are going to see your funds. For now, I don't want to disclose how much I have in my account. I already have, but for the sake of scammers, I don't want to show them the meat so that they can begin attacking me. All right. Thank you for watching up to this time. I believe you have been able to learn something on how to make money. I've been able to take 2 trades and all of them were profitable. And the best asset you can choose, go to your chart and choose the one which has been ranging, because if they are ranging, the bands, those lines are going to become wider, and if they become wider, it means price is continuously going to be moving, moving within that range. It won't drop or continue moving up to hit the bands, and by doing so you are going to be making more money. Until next time, keep winning. But before you go, please subscribe if you have found value in this video, like it, and if at all, turn on the notification bell icon to be notified for the upcoming new videos. Peace and love.